What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki channel, and in this tutorial I'm talking about hyperlink in HTML. So let's get started. If I type exclamation mark and just hit the tab, you will see this HTML heading and body here that will be auto-generated for us. And now we can create a link just in the body. If everything you will create will be in the body, and in head is for browsers to see what our page is about. And here we type A. Okay, that's it. A. This is just a link. If you just save it, you will see nothing here because it's just a tag and nothing in here yet. And you can see Google here. And inside this A tag, we will type href equals, and you can type it the link of your website here, https://google.com, and just save it and start our live server. Here you will see document Google, and I think I mistyped the Google here. Okay, Control S, and if I click on it, it will open Google for me, and it's just a link here. It will create it. If you want to open it in a new tab, you can type here target blank. If you type this, it will open a new tab, and you can type here self. Self is for the default one that it will open in the default tab. You can also link another page here, create another page here like page.html, and put some code here. And you will see nothing here changed, and if I need to go to index.html because it is, as you can see, it's called index.html, and put here the page.html, and they are in the same folder. You can just type here page.html and it will show this here, and just edit this page. That depends on if you wanna put the first letter uppercase, just do that. Control S, page, and it will open the default page. And if I want to open it in another page, I can use blank here, and that's it. And this is hyperlink. And also you can put mail here for hyperlink, mail to like google@gmail.com. And if that doesn't matter if you put self here or new tab here. I put self, and if I refresh it here, I can first let me change this mail. Okay. If I click on this, it will open a prompt for me to use. It knows this is a mail single here, and it will prompt me for Mail, Outlook, or other software that I have for mailings. And that's it guys, thank you for your watching. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can hit the like button and subscribe if you are new, and share it with your friend.